intelligent, and a handsome bird. But I need your help to call his name. Can you say Jumbo?
Jumbo!
Make it louder, everyone. Say Jumbo!
Jumbo!
How do you see here? So here's our great Jumbo named Jumbo. Can you wave to the crowd, buddy? Hi, everyone. Back to Jumbo and say hello.
Hello!
Hi. So macaws have long tail and feathers that then grow up to 3 feet from its head down to its tail. With a tail that roughly stands up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show you his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? Okay. Last one, please. Good job. So you can see most of their colors outside of their bodies and less colors under their wings. So now I'm going to show you his beautiful wings. So first, can you say wings?
Wings!
Everyone, say wings.
Wings!
Yeah. So robots' feet are zygotactylous, meaning they have 2 toes that point forward and 2 toes that point backward. So they also use it to hold on things and climb. So Miss Debbie here is like, she will place it inside a plastic basket and that's her reward for Jumbo. Now let's see how Jumbo gets his reward. Alright, how will you get it, buddy? Carefully lifts up a plastic basket. And he got his reward. Good job, buddy. So we are using the reward system to recompense the intelligence and the efforts of our birds. And as what I have mentioned earlier, that Jumbo is a very special bird. Do you want to know why?
Why?
That's because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we have prepared 2 sets of tests for Jumbo. First, we will be having a spelling test. So we have here 5 animal picture. We have a tiger, snake, zebra, camel, and a horse. So you can only choose 1 animal picture. What will you choose? Everyone? Okay, we see tigers. That's a tiger with Miss Abel. So while Mr. Irvin is preparing the Jumbo letters, let's have an interview with Miss Debbie. So, hi Miss Debbie, how are you today? Fine. Alright, that's great to hear, Miss Debbie. So Miss, for my first question, I want, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
Wow, South America! But I guess it was the same in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Alright, that's great. So now, can I take a good look at the picture, buddy? And what is the spelling of tiger?
Wala.
Alright, well,
Wala, na-school siya, Big.
Alright, what is the first letter, buddy? Ibig sa letter T? First letter.
Wala.
Ibig sa letter I for the second one.
Wow.
How about the third one, buddy? Oh, you're too fast. You take the fourth one. Letter E. How about the third one?
Wow!
G for the third letter. Okay, let's see the last one. Roll with there, buddy. Ibig sa letter I.
Wow!
T-I-G-R. Is it correct?
Yes!
Nice. So now, it seems to be too easy for Jumbo. Now let's try to make it more difficult. So we will be having the mathematics test in addition form. So can you guys give 2 numbers between 1 to 10? And sign lang this side. Numbers between 1 to 10. And sign lang. Okay, let's have 5. How about this side? Higher. Okay, let's have 8. So what is the answer of 5 plus 8, buddy? I know answer. He's so busy eating. So no worries, we're just gonna ask Miss Debbie more questions about Jumbo. So Miss Debbie, what are Jumbo's favorite foods?
Varieties of fruit, seeds, and vegetables.
Alright, so everyone, Jumbo loves to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And Miss, for my last question, I want to know, what are Jumbo's favorite subjects?
English and math.
Wow! Okay. You're so good at English, buddy. Let's see how good you are at math. So what is the answer of 5 plus 8?
Wala, 5 plus 8.
Alright, first number. Oh, you're so excited, buddy.
Wala.
Okay, let's have number 3 first. Here we go.
Wow!
So the answer of 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Is it correct?
Yes!